Good evening or good morning if you're watching this on Monday morning. I hope everyone had a great weekend. For your work this week, if you are off site, so if you're Monday, Tuesday at home, this is the work you will need to do. Wednesday work is also on there for everyone else, or if you're Thursday, Friday, this is your week ahead as well. A couple things that I added over the weekend. Here's a link for all of my meetings. So if your kid has math with me or reading or writing or social studies, you go here, click on this, it will take you to that meeting. You can still see it, find it in each section like math or morning meeting or social studies, but it will all go to the same place. So I put this at the top, hoping it would be more convenient for you. If you meet with Mr. Hubbard, you have to go to his link. This will not get you to Mr. Hubbard. Also, I really need everybody to be doing this daily attendance form each day. When you don't, I get an email at the end of the day. Kathy's trying to figure out if kids were on or not, and I have to then try to go through and look at work done or time on computer, and it's a lot of unnecessary emails and time. So I'm asking that you please spend the first 30 seconds of the day or 1 minute doing the daily attendance form. Now your schedule for the week. If you go to week 4, open this up. You'll see on your Monday and Tuesday, if you're off site or working from home, or your Thursday, Friday, you'll have some things to do just like last week. You'll watch the video, one lesson of Zern on each day, 30 minutes of Lexia Core 5, 20 minutes of reading books or using Epic. The first day you will complete a writing prompt. My favorite thing to do with my family is you will use the paper in your blue folder, and I know everybody has some. I checked their folders before they left school this past week. Then you will draw a picture of it, write about it. First graders, try to write a few 3 sentences about what's going on in your picture. Second graders, do 6 to 8 sentences describing what's going on in your picture, and then color it in. When you do day 2, you're going to be doing your weekly news. Here's where you'll write a letter to me this week. Draw a picture on the line. Then once you've drawn in your picture, write Dear Mr. Young. Then write what you drew a picture of. For first graders, if you can write 1, 2, or 3 sentences about your picture, that would be fantastic. Second graders, you're then going to write 3 more sentences after you introduce it, giving me details about what you're focusing on. If it's about something fun you did, something scary you did, something that made you happy, anything you want to write about. You got a new puppy, you got a new puppy that you named Mr. Young, anything like that, you can write a letter to me. But follow these guidelines, and then everybody will close it by signing from and whoever, this is sign from or your student and then your name. So that's how you will finish off your writing assignment for the day 2. Then there's integrated artwork. If you have any integrated arts work, I know Mr. Hill put something on, you should check that. Wednesday, here's your Wednesday assignments. We'll do some project stuff, group stuff in the morning. You'll do Zern and Lexia Core 5, and then you will meet with integrated arts teachers in the afternoon. Ms. Korb will put that schedule on the Learning Hub. I will also post it in an email to you by Wednesday. You will need some color leaves. I put that in the blog on Friday. Please get those before Wednesday so they dry overnight. Just get a handful of color leaves we'll be using for a fall writing project we're doing based on a book. This is for, again, Monday, Tuesday work over here, or Thursday, Friday when you're at home. This is for Wednesday. We'll all be doing this together, and then over here is what we're doing in school the days you're in school with me this week. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.